Just got in a new all over body wax kit. It's one of the wax warmers. I got it for my wife, but it's not just for girls. As you get older, you start growing hair in some other places that you don't want. So right now we're gonna unbox it, see what's inside, and we're gonna smash off some hair so that it doesn't feel yucky anymore, and we'll see how it works. All right, this is the Lifestance Professional Wax Hair Removal Kit. Looks like it comes with some of the pre-wax. It's got the applicators and the warmer. Let's hop inside and see what's in there. It's got some instructions. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got 3 waxes in here. We got 2 blue, and I'm kind of colorblind. It's either green or red. Got a little plastic bag protecting it. Got a second plastic bag. Okay, so it looks like we have a clear plastic top with some air holes. Got the warmer right here. It's got a plastic ring on top with a pull-out hook. Okay, then we have the warmer itself. All right, so it goes all the way up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got a light indicator to let you know if it's on or off. And you see the little nub there on the dial, shows you where it's pointed to. All right, let's see here. Looks like it might be a ring to prevent dripping. So it's got 3 rings, I guess 1 for each bag. And of course, the instruction manual. You always want to read the instructions and figure out how to do something. Plug it in. Put your wax beads on the inside. All right. So this is what you do. You put it on nice and thick. You push down the skin at the end, and then you pull it up away from where the hair is, and you see it works miraculously. Not only women can use it, and it makes your skin feel smoother after you're done.